right, welcome to 4059 Tyler. All right, so this is a house in the Russell Woods. It's a historic district, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna just give you kind of panoramic view so that you can see outside the neighborhood. So it's pretty much developed, and this home here next to it was lived in actually all the way down the block. But there are some empties that they are building. Yep, so that they're actually putting together. They're putting a roof on one around here, and so that is, as you can see, it is a beautiful and developing neighborhood. And you can see right down the street, they're putting a roof on, they're doing work. It's kind of dumpsters everywhere. So this is our subject property here, and this is a 3-unit. So with the 3-unit, you have on the main floor a 3-bedroom, and then upstairs there are 2 1-bedroom, 1 bath. So there's 1 bath here, but there is hidden potential in this property. This property does also have a full basement. And if this basement unit is properly done, that can actually be a 4th unit if it has an egress window. So let's check out the outside before we go in. So one of the things that I like to check out is the gutters and the fascia and all of that. So as you can see, all of that's really well taken care of. It looks like these gutters are fairly new, in pretty good shape. If you look here, this brickwork needs a little tuck pointing. That's pretty simple. In the front, same thing. It needs some tuck pointing. I mean, it looks bad, but that's actually relatively simple. Okay. Same thing here, and this just really needs to be cleaned and tuck pointed. So, very little work needs to be done. All right. Oh yeah, looks like the old gutter right there. The brick is super solid. One thing about the brick, it looks like it needs some tuck point work right there, but this brick doesn't need a lot of maintenance. You know, I want to point out the good and the bad if I see that. So, little clean up here. Put those vines. Door, gate was in good condition. And the back is good. It's just wide open. This upper porch, it needs some repair. So, I would definitely take a look at that. The upper porch looks like it needs some repair. Another good thing on the back is you see it has 3 service units and they're numbered, so you know which one is which. So those can all be broken out, and they can have their separate bills if you don't have it included. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, so let's go inside. And when I say tuck point, you can see on this property here, it's been tuck pointed already. That's all it needs to be done. This is called a step. Sometimes if the bricks are just laid out a certain way, you can get a step after a while, just natural settling. And so it needs to be tuck pointed. That's all. Just like that there. You can see it's just normal maintenance. It's a brick house. And so that's what needs to happen right here. And that little kind of stair step. Something else that's pretty minor, but I do want to call it. This needs to be painted. Not a big deal. With the city of Detroit, whenever you have a rental, you cannot have rust. So, alright. So, come on in. Yeah, so you can look around, show the room, put the door up behind us. So steam heat. Did you hear that? Ooh, that's nice and warm. I used to sit on these at my grandma's house. This is a Fox or foam fireplace, so no maintenance there. You can put them in a little heater if you want to make it a little cool, but what I'm looking at also in here, if you pan around the room, everything is in good shape. If you pan around the room, you'll see everything's in good shape. Super solid. Only thing I would possibly do is clean the windows. The windows, this can be easily cleaned. Just need a razor blade and some soap and water. Alright, these are up just so people aren't coming and looking in with some bags. But if you look under there, nothing, just the windows, so it's just so you don't get to know your neighbors. Dining room, and you can show the kitchen. It's a lot of cabinets, everything's in really good shape. It even has, oh, this is going down. We'll come back to that. But that's going down to the basement. The hallway, man, check out these arches. Super cool. You know, we have them everywhere. Check out. So this is the first bedroom of 3. Then we have the bathroom next. It has these cool arches here. Lots of closet space, a linen closet there. Something else that I really like about this particular place is that everything is working. So then we have the second bedroom. Yep. And then finally the third bedroom. Yeah, and everything is cool. Just to give you some perspective with me in here, you know, nice size closets. I mean, just want to show you the size of them. So, for a little perspective. So, pretty nice size closet. So this is the first level. And again, you probably saw this already. I'm not sure, but it's a nice size linen closet there also. So let's go up. Hardwood floors, everything's, there's nothing really needs to be done. I did also just turn on the water. The water pressure, everything is up and running. Stairs, we got rails already. Alright, so we're gonna take this one on the front first, and then we'll check out the one in the back. Now this one in the front has all the goodies. Okay, not all, but most. Has this super big front closet, which is cool. And then for the bad boys and girls, they get put in the dungeon. It looks like a castle. This also does look like a little castle. But that's kind of cool. A little porch there. Nice little space. Same thing, just some functional windows, faux fireplace. I mean, for a 1 bedroom, there's a formal dining room. That's pretty cool. Kitchen has all its parts and pieces. Good to go. Even has a little pantry, place for the stove. But I don't. Oh, the refrigerator goes here. All right, so you got a fridge, stove, There. Okay. All right. Bathroom here. You can check that out. And again, this is a 1-bedroom. So, get a little bit of light in here. Here's the back porch, which is nice. So once that's been tested and up to par, that'll be a nice space for residents. These are nice sized closets too. They're pretty deep. I wouldn't do too much. Now looking up, it looks like there's been some repair work done. So I would probably check the attic just to see if there are any leaks. This here, I'm gonna just show you. This is an escape route. So if you have these units, you need to be able to get out. It has 2 doors. So this just lets you out. So you have the back door for both units. All right. Let's keep it going. Shall we? All right. Now, if you're in this next unit, you're not going to know how nice this one is, but it has its own nice features. All right. That not being one of them. All right. Same thing. It has radiant heat. So you come in here, and this is the living room. Okay. Not as big as the other one, but still a nice space. And it has this really big front closet. So, that's nice. It does have hardwood floors underneath the carpet, but this carpet is in pretty good shape. It just needs to be cleaned, in my opinion, but it's not bad at all. This kitchen is the same setup. However, if you look, this is much smaller, a much smaller space for a refrigerator. So you're gonna have to have the loft style refrigerator in here, which is just a smaller size. All right, but you can still have a full size stove here, and they have a gas hookup right there. This is just too cool though. Like, a real craftsman made this, right? Look at that. I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, and like I said, everything, it works. I mean, you still got good pressure. I mean, this place it was built to last. For real. They don't build it like this. Bathroom, nice. All the tile, subway tile, in good shape. Everything's intact. Everything's functional. Penny tile on the floor. Good to go. Alright, and this is the 1-bedroom. Same thing. Now this leads out to the same porch. So this porch is shared. But that's pretty cool. And I mean, this is a security door. This place is, man, it's good to go. Alright, you know what? Let's check out the closet. Same size as the other one. Pretty deep. It's nice. Alright, so there you have it. This is the first couple of floors. So we're going to pause here and then we'll go down.